Okay, it's recorded. So you want to talk about?
You first. Go, go.
Alright, Nancy, I'm in Jacob's house, and with his new dog, they got him a year ago. He's been living inside his house like that, and he's been very good. And he's, as you see, Jacob's paying him. Nice and firmly. So yeah. That's how it goes. Okay, what else? Oh. And yeah, he's sitting down with his pet. Paying him down with his head very nice and gently to show he's trustworthy. To see he's a friend. Yeah, that's how it goes. No, just pan and pat. And I'm trying to do this for my own video. Yeah. Now he's trying to move. Stay. Or given this, trying to go stay. Oh, it looks like he's trying to get him a toy. Look at that. Look at that. The dog's trying to grab it. He's trying to use his paw to grab it. That's kind of funny. Oh, and he's hurt. Country rings. Look at him go. He's trying to let him pet him more. Trying to play with his stuffed toy. That's it. Ooh. Alright, oh yeah. He's still trying to play with him and move around, but his dog wants to go out upstairs. He's trying to get to his toy, but he's still trying, but his dog still wants to go outside. Come here. He's trying to make him come here, but he doesn't want to. And are you sure we can't let him go upstairs? Does your mom want to let him stay downstairs, or?
Stop! You're working the video.
We're trying to do our best for our video, so yeah. Or maybe as far as it goes, needs to be trying for 3 minutes and 6, or it's counting. Or should I leave it for 4 minutes? Because I think I'm gonna try to do his review at my friend's house. Still trying to pan him and cover him. And plus the screen's really dark. Again, I'm really sure I have light. So are we good? Should I stop? So I did my video. Okay, leave a comment.